Understanding, I can't afford it, a guide to English financial vocabulary. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very common English phrase, I can't afford it. This expression is crucial for everyday conversations, especially when discussing finances. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also how to use it in various contexts. Let's get started. I can't afford it is a phrase used to express that someone doesn't have enough money to buy something or to engage in some activity. It's not just about the lack of physical cash. It also implies that the item or activity is beyond one's budget or financial reach. This phrase is a polite and indirect way to communicate financial limitations. Let's break down the components of I can't afford it. I refers to the speaker. Can't is a contraction of cannot, indicating inability. Afford means to have enough money or resources to pay for something. It refers to the item or activity in question. Combining these parts, the phrase conveys a personal inability to allocate financial resources towards something. To fully grasp the usage of I can't afford it, let's look at some examples. When shopping for a new phone, if the price is too high, you might say, I like this phone, but I can't afford it. If invited on an expensive vacation, you could respond, it sounds amazing, but I can't afford it right now. It's helpful to know different ways to express the same idea. Here are some alternatives. It's out of my budget. I don't have the funds for that at the moment. That's a bit too pricey for me. Using these variations can add nuance to your conversation and help you articulate your financial situation more comfortably. Understanding and using the phrase, I can't afford it, is key to communicating about finances in English. It's a respectful and straightforward way to discuss money matters without going into specifics about your financial situation. We hope this video has made you more confident in using and understanding this phrase. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.